Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where the Nvidia driver keeps on crashing on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now it's not very difficult. I'll guide you through the exact resolution. Right click on you can open any browser and search for Nvidia graphics drivers. Okay, and then go to its website. Okay, and then go to the driver section, and then you can instead of using the automatic one, you can check the manual one. So I will check this one, the RTX 3000 series. Okay, and I have RTX 3050 Ti, and I am using Windows 11 and download type all, but you can choose it according to your system. And once you get it, then you can scroll down and you'll find the latest drivers here. Okay, so I will download the studio drivers. I will click on download and then I will click on open. The second I click on open, it will reinstall on the system and then the job will be done. But I am avoiding installing it because it will override the existing drivers. But you can reinstall it to fix your issue. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.